Welcome everybody to a top tech tip. I'm going to show you how to adjust your parking brakes real quick. So when you're setting up your car, I suggest you jack up the car, of course take off the wheel and put it underneath the car, but put the car so that it's weighing on a jack stand, because you have to have the e-brake off. And I also put mine in gear and I block the rear tire here. So just to make sure that you don't have any accidents. So all you're gonna need is a 16 millimeter socket to take out the 2 bolts on the back here on your caliper, and then a T40 or whatever to take this off on the brake disc, and then just wiggle this off, and here you'll have your parking brake adjuster here. And as these wear down, you may have to adjust this. You want to rotate it clockwise like that to tighten. It's going to push this out. It's going to push the piston outward, which then expands the brakes, so that you have to test this out, but you want it to just be catching decently when you pull the parking brake, so not while it's driving. So I've just adjusted this. I spun this over a full amount, a full circle. There's a little blue line there that someone has kindly put. So I'm going to put this back a little bit. You will spin it the other way, and then you get in the car and pull the handbrake. See how it feels? So no, oh yeah, oops, you have to put this back on, put the rotor back on. I need 2 hands for this, 1 second. There we go. Then get in the car and pull the e-brake. Oh yeah, much better. Used to go all the way to the top. So I'm gonna adjust it a tiny bit more. And that's how you set your parking brake. Thumbs up if you guys felt this was helpful and fast. Thumbs up if you like that kind of content. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to check out my other video tutorials on my channel. If any of these videos were helpful to you, consider dropping a like and sharing these videos on social media to help other BMW owners save money fixing their cars. See you guys in the next video.